Must-have herbs for your home. In the world of herbal remedies, there's a rich tapestry of plants and herbs, each with its unique properties and applications. It's essential to have a selection of must-have herbs readily available in your home. These versatile herbs can address a wide range of common health issues and serve as a foundation for your herbal toolkit. Let's explore some of these essential herbs, their properties, and the common ailments they can help you manage. 1. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Properties: relaxing, soothing and anti-inflammatory. Common uses: stress and anxiety. Lavender is renowned for its calming effects. A cup of lavender tea or a few drops of lavender essential oil in a diffuser can help you relax and reduce stress. Sleep disorders. Lavender's soothing properties make it an excellent choice for improving sleep quality. Place a sachet of dried lavender flowers under your pillow for a peaceful night's rest. Headaches. Inhaling the aroma of lavender essential oil or applying a diluted solution to your temples can help alleviate headaches. 2. Peppermint, Mentha ex piperita. Properties: cooling, digestive and pain relieving. Common uses: digestive issues. Peppermint tea can relieve indigestion, bloating and gas. It's an excellent remedy for an upset stomach. Headaches. Peppermint's cooling properties can reduce headache pain. You can apply diluted peppermint oil to your temples or sip on peppermint tea. Respiratory ailments. Peppermint tea can help alleviate congestion and soothe a sore throat. 3. Echinacea, Echinacea purpurea. Properties: immune boosting and anti-inflammatory. Common uses: colds and flu. Echinacea is a potent immune booster. When you feel a cold coming on, echinacea supplements or tea can help reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. Immune support. Taking echinacea regularly can strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. 4. Calendula, Calendula officinalis. Properties: healing, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Common uses: skin conditions. Calendula is a go-to herb for skin irritations. Calendula salves or creams can soothe cuts, burns, rashes and eczema. It promotes wound healing and reduces inflammation. 5. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomile. Properties: relaxing, anti-inflammatory and digestive. Common uses: stress and anxiety. Chamomile tea is well known for its calming effects. It can reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of relaxation. Sleep disorders. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime can improve sleep quality. It's especially effective for those who have trouble falling asleep. Digestive issues. Chamomile can alleviate indigestion, bloating and gas. It's a gentle remedy for soothing digestive discomfort. 6. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Properties: warming, anti-inflammatory and digestive. Common uses: nausea. Ginger is a natural anti-nausea remedy. Ginger tea or capsules can provide relief from nausea caused by motion sickness, morning sickness or chemotherapy. Indigestion. It aids in digestion and can relieve symptoms of indigestion, including heartburn. Joint pain. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help manage joint pain, making it a valuable herb for those with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. These must-have herbs can serve as the building blocks of your herbal toolkit. As you become more familiar with these herbs, you'll discover their diverse applications and the incredible benefits they offer for common health concerns. When incorporating herbs into your daily life, it's essential to understand how to prepare and use them effectively. Whether you're looking to relieve a specific ailment or maintain overall wellness, these essential herbs will be your trusted allies on the path to herbal healing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.